We now go to Foot Yang Ming stomach meridian. Let's discuss stomach 6 mandible wheel. It is located in one finger breadth anterior and superior to the angle of the mandible. Stomach 6 mandible wheel, jaw chariot, jawbone, ghost bed, ghost forest, tooth bend. One of the 13 ghost points of Sun Si Miao. Relaxes the sinews due to the Yang Ming being rich in qi and blood. With the richness of Yang Ming available at this point, it helps the person be fully present. The act of eating itself is grounding, and this accounts for being one of the 13 ghost points. Expels exterior wind affecting the face. Local point for facial paralysis, swelling, and neuralgia. Local point for problems of the lower jaw, including toothache and lockjaw. For problems affecting the teeth, face, neck, and throat, sore throat, or loss of voice, usually combined with large intestine 4. Local point for mumps, spasm of the masseter muscle. The location with the teeth clenched on the highest prominence of the masseter muscle, approximately 1 finger width, anterior and superior to the angle of the jaw. How to find? Ask the patient to clench their teeth, which will allow the muscle belly of the masseter muscle to bulge. Stomach 6 is located on its prominence, a little anterior and superior to the angle of the jaw. With chewing movements of the jaw, the palpating finger will naturally fall into the right depression when the muscle is relaxed. Stomach 5 is located more medially in the depression of the anterior border of the masseter muscle. Needling. Insertion with the patient's mouth slightly opened, vertically 0.3 to 0.5 cun or obliquely or transversely, subcutaneously 1 to 1.5 cun in the direction of stomach 4, stomach 5, and stomach 7, for example, in cases of facial paralysis. Actions or indications. Eliminates wind, benefits the jaw and teeth, opens the channel and luo vessel, alleviates pain. Special features. Sun Si Miao Ghost Point. Important local point for the jaw region. Its location corresponds to a commonly used trigger point on the masseter muscle. According to some authors, stomach 6 is a meeting point with the gallbladder channel. This point can be effective for Bell's palsy, trigeminal neuralgia, or neuralgia of the face, used as a local point for problems in the lower jaw, teeth, face, neck, or throat. Thank you for your attention.